Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11 by Usha and I'm Usha. In this video, I'll walk you through FS Companion, the amazing AI feature introduced in JAWS 2025, which is currently in beta. So without further ado, let's get started. What is FS Companion? FS Companion is AI-powered assistant for learning JAWS and Microsoft applications. When to use FS Companion? As there are many features and shortcuts available between JAWS, Windows, and Microsoft apps, it becomes quite challenging to locate the information that you want in order to perform a specific task or to look for a setting or even to recall any shortcut. In all these scenarios, you can use FS Companion. What can FS Companion do? It allows you to ask questions related to JAWS and Microsoft apps. And once you ask the question, it quickly provides the response within fraction of seconds, and that too in a very concise and step-by-step format. You need not, look into any kind of help document or search in any web for the information. It instantly provides the information. It is really good. FS Companion is capable of responding questions related to JAWS usage, Windows usage and navigation, web browsing, Microsoft apps like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. Now let's see how to open and use FS Companion. To open FS Companion, focus to JAWS window.
JAWS Professional.
Hit Alt-H to open Help menu.
Alt-H, Help menu.
R to open Web Resources submenu.
R, JAWS Headquarters.
Hit C to focus to FS Companion.
C, FS Companion.
And hit Enter.
Enter, menu bar, to navigate notes : bullet. FS Companion is trained on English-language documentation. Support for more languages is coming soon, bullet. AI may occasionally provide incorrect information, so please verify responses. Dismiss warnings.
This is one way to open or access FS Companion. The second way is just open any browser, focus to address bar and type in fscompanion.ai. fscompanion.ai. Let me dismiss this warnings.
Dismiss warnings button. Type your question here, edit blank.
Once you dismiss warnings, focus will land on this edit box where you can ask your questions. Okay. Before I ask any question, let me say hi to FS Companion.
H, I.
I'll hit enter.
Hi, enter, hi. Hello, how can I assist you today with using JAWS?
Now let me check where my focus is.
Send message button. Type your question here, edit.
As you can notice, focus still remains in edit box. Now let me ask some question related to JAWS.
A-O-2 C-A-N-G change. J-W-S JAWS. V-O-C voice R-A-T-E.
I'll hit enter.
Rate, enter. How to change JAWS voice rate. To change the voice rate in JAWS, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts: temporarily change voice rate, bullet, decrease voice rate, press, Alt plus Control plus page down, bullet, increase voice rate, press, Alt plus Control plus page up, permanently change voice rate, bullet, decrease voice rate, press, Alt plus Windows plus Control plus page down, bullet, increase voice rate, press, Alt plus Windows plus Control plus page up, during a say all, bullet, decrease voice rate, press, page down, bullet, increase voice rate, press, page up. If you want to restore the speech rate to the last saved setting after a temporary change, press, insert plus ESC, full stop. If you switch to another application using Alt plus Tab, the default voice rate will also be restored if it was changed temporarily. These commands affect the primary language in the active voice profile. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Now let me ask any shortcut.
S-C-R-E-E-N. Screen A-A-D-E shade A-O-R-T-C-U-T.
Screen shade shortcut I have typed. I'm hitting enter.
Shortcut, enter, screen shade shortcut. To toggle the screen shade feature in JAWS, which provides additional privacy by turning the screen black, you can use the following keyboard shortcut: bullet, toggle screen shade on/off, press, insert plus space bar, followed by F11, period. This shortcut works on both desktop and laptop keyboards. The screen shade feature is available in Windows 8 and later versions. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
As you can notice, once you ask a question, JAWS responds after a tone and it starts reading the complete response by itself. We need not even navigate to the response region. In order to access or read the response given by FS Companion, you can navigate in heading mode, that is using H or Shift H, or you can even use Tab, Shift Tab, or up and down arrow key. Currently my focus is in edit box. Let me navigate to top heading or the first heading in this page by hitting Shift H.
Screen how high heading level conversation with FS Companion beta heading level 1.
I'll hit H.
High heading level 2. How to change JAWS voice rate heading level 2. Screen shade shortcut heading wrapping to top. Conversation high heading level 2.
So H will take you to the questions that you have asked. To read the response, use Tab, Shift Tab, or up and down arrow key. Okay, I'm tabbing.
Hello, how can I assist you today with using JAWS?
I'll tab again.
Provide feedback on this response button. To activate, press enter.
Using this feedback button, you can give feedback related to the response given to your question. Okay, now I'll hit down arrow.
Response completed in 3.20 seconds.
So it is giving the time as well, how much time it has taken.
Heading level 2, how to change JAWS voice rate. To change the voice rate in JAWS, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts :
This is how you can, read the response. Let me ask some more questions. Now let me ask question related to Windows.
open
Shortcut to open Action Center. I'm hitting enter.
Shortcut to open Action Center. To open the Action Center in Windows using a keyboard shortcut, you can press : Windows key +A. This will open the Action Center, where you can access notifications and quick settings. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with JAWS, feel free to ask.
Alright. Now let me ask question related to Word.
create
How to create table in Word.
Word. Enter. How to create table in Word. To create a table in Microsoft Word using JAWS, follow these steps: Insert a table by specifying dimensions. 1. Navigate to the location in your document where you want to insert the new table. 2. Open the Insert Table dialog box by pressing Alt+N, then T, and then I, period. 3. Specify the number of columns by pressing Alt+C, and type the number of columns you want. 4. Specify the number of rows by pressing Alt+R, and type the number of rows you want. 5. If you want to use these dimensions again in the future, press Alt+S to select the Remember Dimensions for New Tables checkbox. 6. Close the Insert Table dialog box by pressing the Tab key until you hear OK button, and press Enter.
As you can notice, detailed step-by-step guide is given regarding how to insert a table in Word. We need not, read any help document. We need not search anywhere. We can just ask question and we can get the answer instantly. Similarly, you can ask questions related to Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Let me try and ask question related to NVDA and see whether it gives answer.
on NVDA.SCREER.
Shortcut to turn on NVIDIA screenreader I have asked. Let me hit enter.
Reader. Enter. Shortcut to turn on DOS screenreader. I specialize in assisting with JAWS, so I can't provide guidance on NVDA. If you have any questions about using JAWS, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to help.
As you can notice, it is not giving any guidance related to NVIDIA. It gives guidance only related to JAWS, Windows, and Microsoft apps. If you want to start a new conversation on any new topic, just focus to
New Conversation button. Starts a conversation about a new topic.
New Conversation button and hit enter.
Enter. Type your question here, edit blank.
Apart from FS Companion, other updates that you would see in JAWS 2025 is auto language detection, continuous OCR, improvements in EPUB reading, and many more. For more details, just check out What's New section. That's all in this video. Thank you.